This, ladies and gentlemen, is the Hawaiian honeybee, okay? As opposed to the African honeybee that's the size of an elephant. Okay, so we drop in some pineapple chunks and we muddle. That wasn't even funny. Okay, drop in some pineapple chunks, muddle, get some ice cubes in there, and now let's put in our booze. Start off with some rum. Okay, come behind that rum with some more rum, but this 151, okay? This is the high-proof bad boy that you start fires with. Squeeze in some fresh squeezed lemon juice, okay? Doing the revolution, you want 151 on your side, okay? Because that's what you need to make your Molotov cocktails. Come behind it with some honey syrup. I shouldn't be saying that, eh? Anyway, rim our glass with a lemon slice, sprinkle on some sugar. Beautiful, our little rocks glass. Put in some crushed ice, and now we can pour in our mix, okay? Beautiful. And now we pour in our mix. Deliciousness, homeboy. And guess what? Like, garnishes really bring drinks out. Like, that's a cool drink right there. You could serve, but if you're serving this, you want some garnish, okay? Put in a little bit of mint, and then we come behind with a flower. And guys, when you're using flowers, you can't go to the flower shop. They got all kind of pesticides on it, okay? Unless you want to grow an extra ear and a leg or something like that. Don't do that. You want to go to, like, Whole Foods sells edible flowers. Get yourself some edible flowers and you could really sexify your drinks, okay? Anyway, hit up tipsybartender.com for all your drinking needs, okay? See more drinks that have flowers in them. Stay tipsy, my friends! Stay tipsy!